Germany40 and FTSE100 both closed the week and the month on a bullish note. We have seen FTSE100 moving all the way towards the record at 88.40, while Germany40 is also closed at 22,520 levels. Yes, it was a pretty good bullish month for these two major indices. Specifically, the DAX has really strong before trying to reverse. What to expect in the month of March from Germany40 and FTSE100? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a long-term review where we're gonna see what to expect not only for the coming week but for the entire month, and what are going to be the key levels. This is a long-term review. I do share my daily updates first with the Germany session and the UK session. This gives you a fair bit of idea on what to expect from these two major indices with the UK and Germany session. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we look into DAX, followed with FTSE100. Watch the DAX on the weekly charts. After showing signs of little exhaustion for last couple of weeks, it has again tried to bounce back here, and see, despite hitting the highs here, we've seen it closing and struggling at 22,500 600 zone. This is going to be pretty important zone. Also notice what it has done for the last couple of weeks. We have seen lower highs, higher lows. This is a consolidation here. Now, as long as 23,000 is not taken on the upside, do not treat this as bullish, and as long as 22,200 100 zone is not taken on the downside, do not treat this as bearish. This is pretty clear here, and this applies specifically for the coming week, because see, if it breaks out here either on the upside or on downside, we have to say that now the DAX is taking direction. Yes, it has shown a very strong run all the way from towards 19,800 to 20,000 levels, and we have seen it moving all the way towards 23. Notice that it is trading in this good bullish channel. The lows of the channel are now far below towards 20. So let's wait for it to take a direction. If you see the stochastic, this is also overbought and looking downwards, which confirms that there could be a little down move here before it rallies again. And look at the MACD. This is at extremes here. This is at extremes from where it would definitely try to reverse some point of time soon. See, look at the downside whenever it is traded bearish. In fact, during the COVID times, you have not seen the MACD trading below minus 500, but now once it is bullish, it has already moved towards plus 1000 levels. Thus, it is going to be pretty important for us to observe and say that now the Germany40 is at a pinnacle point, and now we have to be careful with the buys here. Yes, it could rise all the way towards, in fact, 22,700 800, or though I do not expect it to break 23,000, but yes, if it does, then there is no other option but to stay with the buys. But again, the higher it goes, the more probability will be there for it to start with the crash very soon. See, the RSI is coming to overbought zone, and historically, if you look at these are the, you can see, rare chance times from whenever we have seen the RSI index hitting these levels, it has always posted a stronger reversal. Coming to the daily, interestingly, on the daily charts, it has taken the support from the 20 period, and see, this is consolidating here. We have to wait for a breakout. We have to wait for it to stay below 22,200 22,000 levels. These are going to remain the prime support levels, and any breakout below these levels is definitely going to be very important. Lower highs are seen, and thus the first candle in the coming week is going to be important, though but I will say till 22,700 800 zone is not taken, do not treat this as bullish for the coming week as well. Stock IC comfortable. MACD, after crossing over at the top, trading with divergence, looking downwards, suggestive of more corrective action here in DAX in the near future. RSI is also dropped here, signs of bearishness. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See, it has taken the support from the 100 period, trying to bounce back. Moving averages are again crossing over on the buy. But as I said, till 22,700 800 levels, you should be careful, and then 2300, 23,000, it may form a double top before reversing. Yes, the stochastic rising, MACD is converging, RSI is also rising here. Coming to on the monthly charts, you can notice two bullish candles in succession. Higher lows and higher highs are there, and the bullishness getting diminished. That is first part. Yes, it has consolidated here for weeks and now has given a breakout. It is possible that the third candle could be with moderate bullishness, but notice it is outside Bollinger Bands, and thus the upside is going to remain difficult for DAX, and thus where the current candle closes is going to be of prime importance. Any closure of the month towards 21,000 should be a very good indication that the near future is going to be more bearish. Also notice the formation. Whenever it delivers a rise, it posts a retracement. This time it is a very strong rise, so the retracement could be equally strong. What we are looking at, we are looking at 18,000, 19,000 levels in the near future, most probably either in the month of either in the year 2025 or at worst towards the next year. Stochastic overbought, MACD at extremes here. Look at the MACD at extremes here. It has to soon reverse. RSI overbought as well. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel or Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a SWIFT-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description here. So now you can buy here at 22,560, expect 22,610, 22,688 as the next targets. If these two are taken, these three are taken, you can stay with the buys for 2760, and then we are looking forward to 2800. Now beyond 2800, so all of these are 22. So beyond 22,800, we can expect it to break now 23,000 levels. This is going to be one critical number which it would like to break. Beyond 23,000, there could be a little struggle at around 23,060, and then we are looking forward to another round of rise which is going to take it towards 23. So beyond 23,000, anyways, the bulls are going to be there. Beyond 23,000, there should be no looking back. Beyond 23,000, in fact, it can move all the way towards 23,500. Chances for which, as far as my opinion is concerned, appear to be less. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 22,470 levels. Expect 22,423, 22,355, and then 22,300. If 22,300 is taken, we have to wait for 22,200 is taken. If 22,200, this is the level below which you can say the DAX is turning bearish, stay short for 22k, 21,800 levels, and below that you can just stay bearish. It is going to deliver a massive down move. Right now it is too early to conclude. I think you should stick with the levels here, though it is getting overbought. And I will say those who are holding a long-term position, you have to wait for you have to wait a little and just confirm that you should hold this with patience. Sooner the Germany40, if not in the month of March, I think this, even if it tries to rise, this is going to be the last month for the bulls. Beyond this, it cannot sustain, and then we can look forward to a massive reversal. So take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to FTSE 100. FTSE 100 again, see, it has shown a sign of reversal. We have seen one bearish candle, but see what a massive bounce back it is shown here. Right from the lows at 8,600, it is shown a bounce back here. It has to ideally trade below 8,600 levels, because see, this could be a reversal. We should have seen a move, but failing to stay bearish, it has bounced back and it is trying to trade with divergence, trying to stay bullish. Now also notice it has closed the week at a record levels, and now it is very important for FTSE 100 to trade beyond 8850 levels, because see, once it stays above 8850, we are looking forward to another round of rise here. Notice the rise, the consolidation. This is the second round of rise which is continuing, and thus FTSE 100 has still scope for a further rise. We have to wait for it to break beyond 8850, 8860, and then you can just stay with the buys. Moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bullish, and the prices are trading with divergence from the moving average. Though the stochastic is overbought, but look at the MACD. This is divergent, this is looking up, and it has lot much of room available. See, first wave, second wave, and it has still room on the upside. RSI rising as well. Coming to the daily chart, similar observation, taking the support here, trying to bounce back, and now 20 period moving average has become a pretty good support. Now 8700, 8680 should be a very good support, first support level. If at all the prices start to reverse, these are going to be the great levels here on the downside: 8680, 8700. Below this, 8620, 8640, and if these levels are taken, we are looking at 8500 levels direct. But again, it is just staying bullish as of now. Look at the MACD. After crossing over at the top, it is retest, but now trying to bounce back again. Let's wait for a crossover here. Hitting the double top is where the reversal might initiate. So I can sense that it may start the week with little bullishness. RSI rising. Coming to 4-hour chart, similar observation. See, moving averages crossing over here. Again, a good sign. Support is created 8700, 8400, 8680 levels, and then 8620, 8640 levels. These are the two key levels you should watch out for. And now on the upside, it is on the verge of a breakout here. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising. It is still looking upwards. RSI is rising as well. Coming to the monthly charts, the important one, look at the formation here. See, it has taken the support from the 20 period. It has waited for the 20 period to come up, and now it is looking upwards. My only worry point here is this is diminishing body size. The body size here is getting smaller, and this suggests that now the bulls appear to be slightly exhausted, but it is not yet turning bearish. Remember, exhausting bulls now does not suggest that the bears will take over. It may try to show you with little swings or with moderate bullishness. And thus, I think on the downside, we have to be still watchful here till 8500 is not taken. We should not be treating FTSE 100 as bearish. But yes, once it trades below 8500, the chances of a move towards 8000 levels will increase. Stochastic rising, MACD at extremes here on the monthly charts, and thus I will wait and see how it behaves for the next couple of months or so before it takes a direction. RSI is rising, so looking at this, I will recommend a buy here at 88.44 levels, expected to move towards 88.60, and this is the zone is where you have to be careful. Beyond this, I will be ideally looking forward to 8900 levels very soon. And now once it trades beyond 8900, just stay bullish for 8932, and then in fact we are looking forward to 8950. Beyond 8950, targets are high all the way towards 9000 levels in the month of March. I do not see it breaking beyond 9000, but yes, if it does stay or break beyond 89,000, 90,000 levels, you can expect more bullishness to prevail all the towards 9020. So 9000 and 9020 are the levels which you should watch out for. And yes, 8950. So I will say till towards 9000 plus minus 50 levels, you have to remain extremely cautious, because see, this could be the zone from where the reversal process could initiate, and this is going to be a very critical milestone for FTSE 100 as well. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 8800 levels only, below which you can expect 8780, 8750, and then 8720. If 8720 is taken, I think we are looking forward to a greater dump here on the downside, where we are looking at 8650, 8600, and then in fact lower levels all the way towards 8500. Any drop below 8500, I think there is no point staying bullish in FTSE 100. The sooner or later we are looking forward to 8200 and 8000 levels, and this is a long-term projection, not only for the coming month or so or this month or so. We have to wait for it to break below the critical support levels all the way towards 8500, 8600, which will confirm the long-term trend breaking here, and then we can expect lower lows to be there all the way towards 8200, 8000 levels in the year 2025. So take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support that. But thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day, and have a great profitable trading month of March and a profitable week ahead. Happy weekend.